This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Holden Colorado, stock number 7152. Traffic on 10th 2013 and 7th 2016. It's an RWD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, back with 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the RWD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Right front door cone, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.